Hello everybody. I want to with this video show you how I save a lot of money keeping my RV dry when I don't use it, keep the humidity away from it inside, um, without using the usual products that's available in the big box stores and Walmart and whatever. So this is a do-it-yourself version. I went to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and bought what's it called, a strainer, a colander, whatever, and I bought a little kid's bucket. I could walk around in the store and find something that fit together, and this is it. This is perfect. Alright, so this is what you need. Now the magic is done with something very simple and cheap. And I'm gonna show you right here. Calcium chloride pellets. This is made for melting snow. So besides melting snow, I don't really need it for that here in Florida. It also absorbs humidity from the air, and that's exactly what we're going to use it for here. Let me see if I can do that one-handed. Probably not. Nah, I'm going to put my camera down. So here we go. I filled up a load of these here, these little pellets, and now they will collect the humidity from the air and they will drip down here. Some of those pellets will run through the holes, that's alright. They will still help collecting. So this is it. I'm gonna take that bucket and I'm gonna put it inside of my camper on the floor, and I'm gonna close all windows and doors. And this is probably enough for a month or two, I guess. Yeah, probably a month or two. I've had another one, but it was so old, so the buckets were all deteriorated. But this calcium chloride, this one I bought in Tractor Supply, and it's 25 pounds. I believe that was around $14 or $50, so it's a huge difference from those little containers you buy in the store. So that's all. I hope you can use this little trick to save some money, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.